How to buy coin in Trust Wallet. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can buy coin in Trust Wallet, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically buy coin in Trust Wallet, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all launch the Trust Wallet application and just make sure to sign into your account. Once you're signed in, you're gonna see this type of interface. Then tap on the buy option from here. Depending upon which coin that you would like to buy, you can simply go ahead and select any of those coins. Then just make sure to enter the dollars worth of coins that you would like to buy. So if I select BNB, for $100 I'll get 125 point this much ET, ED, ADA or other coins. Then I can tap on buy option, then I'll be able to fill up my payment details and then buy in that way. This way I can buy coin in Trust Wallet. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.